Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to launch an emote wall and connect it to your OBS. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is head over into your browser, go to Streamlabs. Once you're at Streamlabs, you just want to go ahead and head over into your dashboard. From your dashboard, just go down to all widgets and then just go ahead and press emote wall, and then you'll have one. Now here's the thing. I can't show you my thing, and it literally, when I press launch, it says do not show to anybody. So we're not going to go ahead and share this. So all you're going to do is press view and then copy this. Go ahead and slide into your OBS, press the plus button, press browser, go to OK, and then change this with the link of your emote wall. Seems you managed your Streamlabs account. So see it, the link messed up a little bit because I had deleted some stuff and I don't have it in properly, so you guys can't just add anything to my emote wall. And then when you go ahead and press launch, it should work, and whenever somebody sends an emote, it should go wherever you have that browser allocated to. So if I put it right here, there'll be an emote wall right here. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.